How do I transfer my eBay gift card balance to my PayPal account?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to discuss a topic that many eBay users often ask about: how to transfer an eBay gift card balance to a PayPal account. This process can seem a bit tricky, but with this step-by-step guide, we will make it simple for you.
Can you transfer eBay gift card balance to PayPal directly?
The first thing you need to know is that eBay gift card balances can't be transferred directly to a PayPal account. eBay gift cards are designed to be used for purchases on eBay only. Any unused amount remains associated with the gift card, and you can't withdraw or transfer this money to another account, including a PayPal account.
What can you do instead?
So, if we can't transfer the eBay gift card balance to PayPal directly, what's the solution? Well, you could consider making a purchase on eBay using your gift card and then reselling the item. It's important to note that this comes with a risk, as the resale value might be lower than your initial purchase price. But if you're able to sell the item at a similar price, you could then receive funds in your PayPal account.
How to use eBay gift card for purchases?
To use your eBay gift card for purchases, follow these steps. 1. Go to eBay's website and log into your account. 2. Choose the item you wish to purchase and proceed to checkout. 3. On the payment page, select the option to pay with a gift card. 4. Enter your gift card number and PIN, then click Apply.
How to resell the item and get money to PayPal?
After purchasing an item with your eBay gift card, you can resell it and potentially get money into your PayPal account. Here are the steps. 1. List your item for sale on eBay. Make sure to describe the item accurately and clearly, including quality photos. 2. Once your item sells, set up your preferred payment method as PayPal. 3. After the buyer pays, and you ship the item, the money will be deposited into your PayPal account. While transferring eBay gift card balance directly to a PayPal account isn't possible, there's a workaround that you can use. This involves purchasing an item with the eBay gift card and then reselling it to receive funds in your PayPal account. Remember, this comes with a degree of risk, and you should always think it through before proceeding. We hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!